Dropbox is a great free way to sync your files between computers. Integrating Dropbox into BootMed Plus allows you to move your files directly to the cloud and sync them to another computer. An internet connection is required to perform this task. To connect BootMed Plus to the internet, simply plug your computer into your router via a networking cable. Once you are connected, run Dropbox task from the BootMed Plus menu. In the window that appears, click OK. Dropbox will begin to download. Due to licensing restrictions, we cannot package Dropbox installed. We're sorry for this inconvenience. Once the download is complete, you will be asked whether or not you have an account with Dropbox. If you do not have one, simply sign up. Otherwise, sign in. You'll then be asked to select the size of your Dropbox account. For this tutorial, I'll be using the free 2 GB Dropbox size. Next, you need to choose your account setup type. If you just signed up for Dropbox or do not have many items in your Dropbox folder, you can choose the typical setup. My Dropbox, however, is full, and I do not want Dropbox to sync all of my files to this computer, so I will be choosing the advanced setup. Just click Next. On this page, select Selective Sync. This will allow you to choose which folder to sync to this computer. Click Selective Sync and then deselect any folders that may have a lot of files or any large files in them and click Update. Click Install, and then click Skip Tour. That's it. Make sure that Open My Dropbox folder is selected and click Finish. A folder will now open. All files that you copy to that folder will be automatically synced to your Dropbox account. Now you can find files with BootMed via search for files or find My Documents folders and then drag and drop those files into your Dropbox folder. While Dropbox is syncing, you will see blue rotating arrows. When Dropbox is finished uploading the files, you will see a green check mark. This means that your files are safely in Dropbox and you can now exit BootMed Plus if you are done recovering your files. Note that you can only have a total of 2 GB in your Dropbox folder at a time, so you may need to move some of your files into your Dropbox account, let it sync, and then move them out of the Dropbox folder on another computer. To access your Dropbox folder from another computer, simply go to Dropbox.com and click Download Dropbox and follow the instructions. The Dropbox setup will be very similar to what you just did inside BootMed. Be sure to set up Dropbox using your Dropbox account. Once setup is finished, Dropbox will begin to download the files you put into it. As they download, you can move them out of the Dropbox folder, which will free up space for you to put in more files in the computer running BootMed Plus.